Hello friends, this is Sasha with Harmony Air. Today I want to share with you a whole house backup system installation. We used Pomcube equipment for this installation, and this is a whole house backup. So we are backing up 200 amp main panel. Um, so we have power coming from the main meter. This is a grid distribution panel. We have power coming from the grid through the 200 amp main and going to 3 separate inverters. And we do have a bypass as well, which we normally do in case something happens to the system. We are able to temporarily bypass the inverters and still have consistent power. And this is the load combiner panel, so the power that comes from each of the inverters comes into this panel through each individual breaker. This way we can isolate each inverter individually if we needed to do any kind of maintenance. So we have 3 Pomcube battery systems over here. So this is a total of 60 kilowatts backup capacity, and on this side we have so-called load side inverters. So basically each one of those units is connected to another system. So basically every battery has a load side inverter and a grid side inverter. So we have 3 systems, but we have 6 inverters. This is more or less older Pomcube design. Pomcube have developed now a new approach where we don't need load side inverters, these guys, anymore. So the grid side inverters act both as a grid side and a load side inverters, so we don't need the load side inverters anymore. Each one of those units can put out 52 amps in the off-grid mode. So between 3 of those is 156 amps on a battery, and when we are on a grid power, the pass-through is 70 amps, so we can pass through 210 amps, which is a full panel backup. We do have solar connected to each one of those systems, so if the grid fails, solar will be recharging the batteries and providing the property with energy. Overall, the new approach, which doesn't require the 3 load side inverters, is definitely a lot more compact and a lot more I guess less complicated to install. But basically that's all we got over here. We were able to use DC array, and we had 2 microinverter arrays from different generations, so we basically split them between all those arrays between different systems, and so this way every system has a solar backup. For any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to be helpful. Thank you.